And this is a 50 for Muhammad Azim. Very good knock. This is very good knock played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. He is very young, talented and energetic player of this KP Riders. This is again Muhammad Yunus to the batsman Muhammad Azim. The new batsman, he is a very young, talented and energetic player for KP Riders. आज इस बल्लेबाज को अपनी टीम के लिए खेलना होगा because he is very talented, powerful cricketer of KP Riders. He is on strike. Muhammad Azim. This is a great delivery again by Muhammad Yunus. No run, dot delivery. This is a fourth over of the second inning. The score remains on 30 for the loss of 3. Muhammad Yunus is again on his body mark to the batsman Muhammad Azim. This is a great shot played by the batsman, and this is the first 4 for Muhammad Azim. He opens his account with this 4. The score moves to 34 for the loss of 3. This is a great shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. Good shot played by the batsman, and this is only a single for Muhammad Azim. 40. Again, good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding. Very good fielding. चार होना था वहाँ पे रन सूखे पड़े. This is great fielding at the end by the fielder. No run score remains on 47 for the loss of 6. Sharais is again on his bowling mark. To the batsman Muhammad Azim. He's on strike. This is great shot, classic shot played by Muhammad Azim. This is 4 for Muhammad Azim. सीमा रेखा के बाद 4 रन Muhammad Azim के बल्ले से. This is 50 up for KP Riders, but they lost their 6 wickets. Sharais is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muhammad Azim. He's on 9. Again wants to hit this, but a very good comeback by the bowler. No run score remains on 50 for the loss of 6. This is 7th over of this second inning. The total target is 186 runs for KP Riders, but great bowling, great start by EP Blasters. They take their early 6 wickets. Sharais again, very good shot played by the batsman. At the end, this is missed by the fielder. 4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पे आजम को. 4 रन KP Riders के खाते में. The score moves to 54. The individual score of Muhammad Azim, he moves to 13 in 9 deliveries. This is Sharais is again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Again a good shot at the end. This is missed by the fielder and 4 for Muhammad Azim. Again Arshid to the batsman Azim. Azim plays a shot here. This is and misfielding by the fielder. The two batsmen take 2 runs. यहाँ पे इन रनों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इस टीम एपी ब्लास्टर्स को because they have a huge total given 186 runs and KP Riders they lost their early 6 wickets and they have only 62 runs on board. Now Rashid again on his bowling mark to the batsman Muhammad Azim. He's on 19. Here is a 4 for KP Riders and 4 for Muhammad Azim. End of 8 overs. The score on board is 66 for the loss of 6. Now Muhammad Azim, he's on 23 and UAC only make 12. Shaukat again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. This is a great shot played by the batsman and very good fielding by the fielder. This is a great fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने अपनी टीम के लिए. This is wide given by the umpire and missed by wicket keeper by 4. This is again Mushtaq. This is great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन लगे मोहम्मद आजिम के बल्ले से. This is a great hit by the batsman Muhammad Azim. 6 for Azim, 6 for KP Riders. The individual score of Muhammad Azim, he moves to 30 runs in 17 deliveries. Mushtaq again. This is wide given by the umpire. Mushtaq again to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Very good shot. This is another good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 6 रन मोहम्मद आजिम के बल्ले से. This is a 6 for Azim, 6 for KP Riders. Muhammad Azim, he moves to 36 in 18 deliveries. This is an expensive over by Mushtaq. Again, very good comeback by the bowler Mushtaq. No run score remains on 88 for the loss of 6. Mushtaq again. Oh, this is another good shot. Very good shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 6 रन मोहम्मद आजिम के बल्ले से. Now he moves to 42 in 20 deliveries. The partnership is 50 in 25 deliveries. This is a great shot played by the batsman Muhammad Azim. 94 for the loss of 6. 92 runs needed in 62 deliveries, and they have only 4 wickets in hand. This is Muhammad Azim. He's on 42. Again wants to hit this ball, but this is wide given by the umpire. Again Mushtaq to the batsman Muhammad Azim wants to hit this ball, but this is again wide. This is very expensive over by the bowler Mushtaq. 26 runs in 4 deliveries. Again Mushtaq to the batsman Muhammad Azim. Again this is a chance, but this is a 6 for Muhammad Azim. Very good shot. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 6 रन आजिम के बल्ले से. Now he moves on 48 runs. 100 up for KP Riders. 84 runs in 61 deliveries. This is a high voltage match now. This is again Mushtaq. He's on Muhammad Azim. This is 50 for Muhammad Azim. 106 for the loss of 6. After